Stick around to the end of the video as you wouldn't want to miss these 5 insane Gordon Ramsay moments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications on so you do not miss any further future uploads. But without further ado, let's dive into number 5. Coming up at number 5, when he shut down the pineapple on pizza debate. In most cases, Chef Ramsay's word is gold. One time he got it wrong when he declared that pineapple doesn't belong on pizza. Ramsay was appearing on the nightly show when he ordered a pizza and asked the audience for topping suggestions. When one person called out pineapple, he responded, "You don't put pineapple on pizza." Don't worry, chef, we still love you even though you're completely wrong about this.
Walking straight into this live recording. It's almost like a takeaway nightmare. Are you guys up for a pizza? All the good pizza. Here's where I need your help. I'm gonna make the call, so you guys are gonna sit there and be as quiet as possible.
Hello, Good Pizza? How can I help you?
I'd like to make an order, please. Let's have 10 of the pepperonis.
Pepperoni, sir?
Pineapple on pizza.
Coming up at number 4, when Kevin Spacey joined him on the F word. Ramsay is aware that he has one of the biggest potty mouths on TV, so he enlisted Kevin Spacey to help him poke fun at his seemingly inability to talk without peppering his sentences with profanity. The result was pure comedy gold. Coming up at number 3, when he went to Amy's Baking Company. Amy's Baking Company was the hands down most infamous episode of Kitchen Nightmares that ever aired. It deserves a spot on this list just for the absurdity that Ramsay put up with when he tried to save that ill-fated restaurant despite its owners. Can we just take a moment to acknowledge Ramsay for standing up for the restaurant servers when he found out the owners were taking their tips from every past or current server ever? Well, that is to say, he embarrasses the hell out of everyone who capture his most awkward moments and put them on the internet for all of us to enjoy. But what's really great is how evident it is just how much we love him. Coming up at number 2, when he refuses to spoil his kids. Dad Ramsay might be our favourite Ramsay. He's been vocal throughout his career about how he absolutely does not intend to leave his huge fortune to his 4 children. It's definitely not going to them, and that's not in a mean way. It's not to spoil them. He's explained the only thing I've agreed with my wife, Tana, is they get a 25% deposit on a flat, but not the whole flat. What's even better is the way he and his wife ride first class on family trips while the kids sit back in coach. They haven't worked anywhere near hard enough to afford that. Ramsay has said, at that age, at that size, you're telling me they need to sit in first class? No, they do not. We're really strict on that. I turn left with Tanner and they turn right, and I say to the chief stewardess, make sure those little kids don't come anywhere near us. I want to sleep on this plane. I worked so hard to sit that close to the pilot, and you appreciate it more when you've grafted for it. Next up we have Le Bistro. Chef and owner Andy of Le Bistro was a classic example of the type of owner Gordon wanted to change in his show. A full ego and filled with a lack of care for his sinking restaurant. After watching a very poor dinner service, Gordon sits Andy down and says that he proved that he didn't give a ton about the customers. Andy being told he was blowing his chance at a chef's dream and the success of his restaurant clicked something in his mind, leading him to switch gears and pull off a successful relaunch. Now guys, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe if you're new. Also comment down below what you learned about these moments and what moments you would have put in this list. But without further ado, I'm out.